Welcome to UC second year students. Today let us study the chapter number 2, that is theory of consumer behavior. In theory of consumer behavior, already we have studied the total utility and the marginal utility. We have understood the meaning of the total utility and marginal utility, and how they are increases, how they are slopes already have been understood. And now today let us study the difference between the marginal utility and the total utility, or total utility and the marginal utility. There are some differences between total utility and marginal utility. And let us see what are the difference between total utility and the marginal utility. First point, the difference is between total utility and marginal utility. In total utility, it is the total satisfaction obtained from the consumption of all the possible units of the commodity. It is called as the total utility. Total utility means it is the total satisfaction of all the units of the commodity. It is possible units of the commodity is called as the total utility. Once again, the total utility means it is the total satisfaction of obtained from the consumption of all the possible units of a commodity is called total utility. And in case of marginal utility, marginal utility is it is derived from an additional units. It is the total utility derived from the consumption of an additional units of a commodity is called marginal utility. It is called as a marginal utility, MU. The marginal utility is derived from any additional units of a commodity. It is called as the marginal utility. Or additional marginal utility is an extra utility derived from an additional units of a commodity, which is called, or this is called marginal utility. This is the difference between total utility and the marginal utility. The second difference is the total utility increases. The total utility increases as more goods consumed. The total utility increases as more goods consumed. The total utility increases as more commodity consumed or more units consumed. But in case of marginal utility decreases as more of units consumed. The marginal utility decreases as more of commodity consumed. Marginal utility decreases as more of units consumed. It increases, total utility increases, marginal utility increases. In total utility, it is increases as more of units consumed. It is total utility. And marginal utility, it decreases as more of commodity consumed. The marginal utility decreases. This is the second difference between total utility and the marginal utility. And the third difference between the total and the marginal utility is the total utility is expressed as TU is equal to MU1 plus MU2 plus MU3 plus MU4 plus MU5. The total utility is expressed as total utility is equal to MU1 plus MU2 plus MU3 plus MU4 plus MU4. It means that total utility is equal to marginal utility 1 plus marginal utility 2 plus marginal utility 3 plus marginal utility 4 plus marginal utility 5. This is the formula. It is total utility. And in case of marginal utilities, marginal utility can be expressed as under. How they can express? The marginal utility can be expressed as under mu n is equal to tu n minus tu n minus 1. Mu n is equal to tu n minus tu n minus 1. This is marginal utility. This is the difference between total utility and the marginal utility. And the fourth difference is between the total and marginal utility is after the total utility reaches maximum. After the total utility reaches maximum. After the total utility reaches maximum, it does not rise. After the reaching total utility is maximum, it does not rise. It does not rise further. It starts falling. It starts falling. It starts falling. It starts falling. After the reaching the point maximum, the total utility does not rising and it starts falling. And in case of marginal utility, when the total utility is maximum, the marginal utility is 0. This is 0. When the total utility is maximum, marginal utility is 0 at this point, 0 point. When total utility falls, marginal utility becomes negative. This is negative. This is the difference between total utility and the marginal utility. In the last difference between total utility and the marginal utility is the total utility curve increases at a diminishing rate. The total utility curve increasing at a diminishing rate. The total utility curve increases as at a diminishing rate. Total utility curve increases at a diminishing rate. But in case of marginal utility curve diminishes from beginning. Marginal utility curve diminishes from beginning. Diminishes. Marginal utility curve diminishes from beginning. This is the difference between total utility and the marginal utility. Total utility and the marginal utility. These are point indicates the difference between total utility and marginal utility. You have to study well. Thank you.